Stop scrolling, take a deep breath, because in the next 10 minutes, you're going to reset your energy completely. Imagine hitting a button that clears the mental clutter, lifts the fatigue, and restores your natural vitality. This practice is rooted in ancient wisdom, simple techniques drawn from yoga, pranayama, and meditation, designed to balance your energy channels and awaken your inner clarity. So, wherever you are, pause for a moment. This is your time. Let's begin your 10-minute energy reset. Find a comfortable seat, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, eyes gently closed. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale peace, exhale tension. Feel your body begin to settle. Your mind starts to clear. Now breathe consciously. Draw your awareness to the space just between your eyebrows. The center known in yogic science as the Ajna chakra. Your inner command center. Imagine a soft indigo light glowing there. With every inhale, this light brightens. With every exhale, it expands through your mind, washing away all fatigue and confusion. Continue this for a few breaths. Inhale, energy. Exhale, clarity. You're reconnecting with your own source power, the life force of the ancients called prana. Now bring your awareness down to your navel, your solar center. In Sanskrit, it's called the Manipura chakra, the seat of your personal power. Place one hand lightly over your stomach. Begin to breathe a bit more deeply. Controlled and steady. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 2. Exhale for a count of 4. As you do, imagine a golden flame glowing within your abdomen. Radiant. Steady. Strong. With each breath, this flame grows brighter, burning away heaviness, doubt, and sluggish energy. This is your inner sun, the fire of willpower, confidence, and action. Now silently repeat. I am energized. I am focused. I am strong. Feel warmth spreading through your chest, arms, and head. You're awakening the ancient power of your own inner fire. Now that the inner fire is alive, it's time to balance it. Shift your focus to your breath again. We'll use a cooling, calming pattern inspired by Nadi Shodhana, the yogic breath of balance. Bring your right hand to your face. Gently close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Now close your left nostril with your ring finger. Release the right and exhale through the right side. Then inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Continue this alternate breathing pattern for a few rounds. Feel the left breath cooling and calming you. The right breath energizes and clears you. Together, they bring harmony. The perfect dance of Shiva and Shakti. The balance of masculine and feminine energy within. As your breath evens out, you'll begin to feel a deep calm awakening in your heart space. A stillness beyond words. Now release the breath control and return to natural breathing. Visualize a light forming in your heart. Soft, radiant, expanding with every beat. This is the essence of your life energy. Pure, luminous, boundless. With each breath, imagine this light expanding, filling your chest, your entire body, your room, the sky beyond. You are not just breathing. You are receiving and radiating energy. Feel it move through your spine, up from the base to the crown of your head, like a current of golden light rising through every energy center. You are recharging. Body, mind, and spirit aligning in perfect harmony. Take one more deep conscious breath. Feel your body renewed, your mind clear, your heart open. Now silently affirm, I am balanced. My energy flows freely. I am connected to the infinite source within and around me. Smile gently. Let gratitude fill your awareness. Gratitude for this body, this breath, this moment. As you open your eyes, notice how different you feel. Lighter, brighter, grounded yet expanded. You've just experienced a 10-minute energy reset drawn from the timeless science of breath, awareness, and life force. The same wisdom passed down through countless generations of seekers. Carry this energy with you through the rest of your day. And remember, the power to recharge is always within you, as close as your next breath. And if this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe, and remember, the divine, only to invite us to look deeper. Share your experience in the comments. Tell us, what are you experiencing today? Thank you for joining us. Namaste.